Hey, how's it going? Miguel Martinez Juarez here, and today I want to talk about the power of awareness. I'm going to title this The Power of Awareness and How to Use it. This is going to be deep. Awareness is who you really are. Awareness is consciousness, okay? Ask yourself this question: am I aware? And the moment you say aware, everything pauses. When you ask this question and say aware, everything pauses. Am I aware? And now expand your vision. Now start seeing everything outside. Okay? Now keep it there. That's who you really are. You start thinking about everything you thought has brought that into form: the home, the apartment, the relationship, the income, everything. The thing is that you have to keep the feeling of that wish fulfilled, okay? The feeling of the wish fulfilled over and over again, okay? That's the power of awareness, okay? Being aware of how you're feeling and what you're looking at. And what you're looking at is not with your eyes, it's with your awareness, with your imagination, okay? Your awareness is what looks at something. Your mind is what creates, okay? So take that down. Your mind is what creates, okay? Your mind is what creates. Your awareness is who you are. It's what's watching, what's being created. And guess who else's awareness? God. God is awareness, okay? There's many references in the Bible to this. And I am the way. I am, right? Awareness. I am is awareness. When I'm gonna quote some of these parts of Neville Goddard's book. Okay, and he writes, if you, the reader, will give up all your former beliefs in a God apart from yourself and claim as your awareness of being, and claim God as your awareness of being, as Jesus and the prophets did, you will transform your world with the realization that I am, excuse me, I and my Father are one. I and my Father are one. John 10:30. This statement, I and my Father are one, John 10:30, but my Father is greater than I, John 14:28. Seems very confusing, but if interpreted in the light of what we just said concerning the identity of God, you will find it very revealing. Consciousness, being God, is as Father. The thing that you are conscious of being is the Son, bearing witness of his Father. Wow. I did not intend this to be in this order, but I just said that awareness is watching what your mind is creating. What you create is like the Son, and consciousness the Father, right? And God is your awareness of being. Okay, you're just experiencing an individual human experience. Okay? Wow, that was amazing. Okay, and there's another one, another quote that I want to say, and that's that before you are aware of being a man or a woman or a person, you just are aware. Okay, you are aware first, then you're a person. You know, you are aware of being that thing which you are describing yourself as to be. Okay? See, and Neville Goddard, this is what Neville Goddard writes. For instance, before you are conscious of being man, you are first conscious of being. Then you become conscious of being a man, yet you remain as conceiver greater than your conception. Man. Okay, Jesus discovered this glorious truth and declared himself to be one with God, and not a God that man made fat, not a God that man had fashioned. For he never recognized such a God. He said, if any man should ever come saying, quote, look here or look there, believe them not, for the kingdom of God is within you. All right? God is within you. Okay, and imagination is very important. Okay, now another book that you want to check out. That book I was reading from is At Your Command by Neville Goddard. Another book talks about your consciousness or your awareness. Is the new book The Greatest Secret. Rhonda talks about who you are, and who you really are is consciousness or awareness. Right? I am. That's why when you want to manifest something, you must say I am. Okay? I will be is that you're not that person. All right? Or I used to be is you used to be and you're not that person. You must declare I am. Look, actually there's only one time now, and that's the now, the infinite now. If you think about a building that was built in the past, when was it built? At that moment. And when are you looking at it? When you see it? At that moment. Okay, this is something you got to wrap yourself around. Okay, now here are some thoughts after listening to the book, The Greatest Secret. I do have the book, the Kindle book, but I haven't read it. I've just been listening to it in the mornings. It's so powerful, so powerful. And these are the notes that I wrote. I am not my thoughts. See, you are not your thoughts. You are just awareness. Your mind starts creating thoughts because you're here to create. So your mind always has energy flowing to and through it. And as it flows to and through it, you manipulate the energy and you create something. That's the law of perpetual transmutation. Energy goes into form and out of form. Into form and out of form. Okay, it's a cycle. Now, I also wrote, I am awareness. Awareness is infinite. Awareness is forever. You're never just not aware. Think about a time when consciousness was not, right? When were you not consciousness? When were you not aware? You're always aware, even when you're asleep, okay? So people dream. People literally dream. Your consciousness is still there, okay? Now, and I wrote, awareness is calm. Okay? Awareness is calm. Once you become aware, ask yourself, am I aware? And you stay in that awareness, and you expand your vision to see the entire thing, not just focus on some little tiny thing, but just say, am I aware? And just see everything in your surrounding, and start thinking, and just look at it. It's calming, okay? But if you start thinking, you're gonna start thinking, how did I get here? And then you're gonna start thinking that you thought about it in the past, right? You're looking at your past thoughts. As you think now, you're creating a better future. Ideally, right? And awareness is the infinite present. You only have now, and it's infinite. It's infinite. Okay. Now, I do want to say that I'm the one who said awareness is calm, because I said, what is awareness? And then calmness, I just started feeling calm. It just felt, I didn't even hear it, I just felt calm. So I said awareness is calm, okay? Now, how do you use awareness? You use your awareness by using your mind and start looking at what you want to create, right? Look at your hands, look at your body, look at the clothes that you're wearing in your imagination and touch and do and feel like the person you want to become, okay? And you impress the subconscious doing this, right? With your imagination, your visualization, okay? An ideal. And vividly experience it. That's why I said look at your hands, see the color textures, feel things. For me, feeling it really helps me manifest things. Feeling it, right? Literally feeling it. And then feeling the feelings. I ask myself, how do I feel? How do I feel, right? Right? Feel the feelings of having it, of experiencing it. When you're experiencing it, you're having it, okay? So feel the feelings of the wish fulfilled, okay? And this is important as well. In a state akin to sleep, okay? Akin to sleep. This is when it really, really impresses the subconscious mind, okay? Because you're relaxed. What did I say awareness was? Calm. Oh my God. Oh my God. All this stuff is just like, kind of just like coming in together, okay? It's amazing how all this is coming together. Awareness is calm. The best way to impress the subconscious, your mind, right, is through calm, okay? Now, there's three parts to your brain, to your mind, not your brain, the mind. Conscious mind, where you use the imagination, your intellectual factors, right? You think intellectually, you can start feeling, discerning the differences in your environment, right? Via out here or in your mind, okay, internally with your mind. Now the subconscious mind feels. It's the feeling mind, okay, and the action mind. Because once you feel something, you feel excited, you do the things. If you're depressed, you don't do the things. Okay, and the other mind connected to the subconscious mind is the superconscious mind. Superconscious, you could say, is infinite intelligence, is God, is consciousness, and it's calm. It's calm. It's calmness. So for you to really reach the subconscious and God, you must be calm, poised, and allow those ideas to flow to and through you. And know that the only reality is what you are aware of. Okay? Your imagination. Because everything else here is already created. It's the past. Okay? It's the past. Your awareness and your imagination. Okay? Is what's real. Okay? Because your imagination is what's creating. Your awareness is who you are. Okay? Awareness is reality. Okay? Wow. This was deep. So I hope you like this one. Okay? Review, a little short review. You are awareness. You create things with your mind. Right? Intellectual factors using the imagination and the will. Okay, the will, because you kind of have to hold on to the feelings over and over again with frequency to manifest it, right? But what's real is not out here because you've already created it. What's real is what's in your awareness and in your imagination. Because the imagination is the tool. It's the scissors of the mind. All right, it's the scissors of the mind is what creating it, what's allowing your awareness to look at something, okay, in this experience. And you're always creating. So create the ideal life. Create, 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 create. You're a creator, okay? And you're co-creating with God once you understand these laws, okay? If you, prior to this, if you didn't know the laws, you were just doing things automatically without the knowledge. So you're doing things outside in versus inside out, okay? As above, so below. As within, so without. I hope you like this one, and thank you. Bye-bye. Until next time.